Have you ever wondered why a ball bounces, a rocket blasts, or your legs can run so fast? Discoveries in Motion takes your child on a 30-week journey through God's amazing world of movement. The kit comes with a 3-book curriculum set packed with lessons and experiments, a discovery journal, a tangram set with challenge cards, a motion tracking poster, a ruler bookmark, and an adventure backpack. Everything your child needs for a full year of hands-on learning is right here. Each week, your child explores a new topic through a discovery question. Over 30 weeks, they'll journey through 6 exciting units: the human body, transportation and travel, building, inventions, space, and entertainment and sports. They'll color, draw, search for real-world examples, and complete hands-on activities that bring each topic to life. Writing, vocabulary, and comprehension are woven into every lesson, so subjects feel connected instead of scattered. At the end of each week, your child adds a sticker to their motion tracker and reviews what they've learned in their discovery journal. Each unit includes activities that make learning stick. Your child might play Simon Says after studying how the body moves, test whether objects sink or float, or build a working sailboat. There are many books to assemble, cutting activities, and experiments woven throughout. Rather than simply reading about motion, students experiment and observe the world around them. Physics concepts become concrete when they see them in action. No hunting for extra projects. Just open the book and discover together. After each unit, your child makes connections through field trips in the real world. You might visit a science center, head to an airport or aviation museum, or tour a construction site. Field trips don't have to be elaborate or expensive. A local playground can be just as valuable as a museum. We've included ideas to help you find the right places to visit no matter where you live. The tangram set can be used anytime throughout the week. Your child solves spatial puzzles using 7 pieces to create shapes. Some cards guide them, while others challenge them to figure it out. It builds problem solving and logical thinking in a way that feels like play. At the end of the week, your child will use their discovery journal to record something interesting they learned, review vocabulary, and try a simple experiment. Experiments, field trips, tangrams, hands-on discovery, it's all here. If you want second grade to feel like an adventure instead of another stack of worksheets, this is for you. Get your kit and start discovering today.